Hey everyone, Shashank here from Razorpay, and in this video I'll be telling you how to integrate our checkout with React Native. Now if you go through the docs, you will ultimately land to this page in which I have explained in detail about how to integrate it. I request you to go through it, but nonetheless, let's start off with the integration. I have created an empty React Native project here. So I shall first navigate to this and then run the command which is mentioned in the readme. Now once you do this, this particular package is added to your node modules folder. A lot of merchants have actually no issue with the automatic linking of React Native, but some of them reported that the automatic linking of React Native is throwing an error. So for those people, I'll show you how to manually link it. Okay, so before you could do that, now since the package is installed, we first have to manipulate the module map. Now a little basic about a module map is whenever you try to add your own modules to a framework, we have to add that module name to a module map. Okay, so I won't go into the depth of it. If you want, you can have a look at it, but the only issue that you could face is an error saying that you cannot find a module called Razorpay Common Crypto. Now the reason for that is in the module map we have specified the path of Xcode as xcode.app, but if you use multiple versions of Xcode like how I do, you might have multiple versions, multiple paths. I mean xcode.app, xcode 8.3, 9.3, etc., which may result in that issue. To fix that issue, what you have to do is just copy a script or run a script. So don't worry about the script, I'll tell you where to find this. So now since this is my project, I go to node modules, I go to React Native Razorpay, and I find the framework. The framework is here, so I just paste it. I already have it in my case, but in case you don't have it, just paste it here. Now the next thing that you have to do is just go to that path. So I went to that path, that is the iOS folder, the path in which the framework is present, and then I just run this, and that's it. Okay, so the module map in the framework is modified. So getting back to the linking process, now my project is over here, so I open it. Okay, so once I have opened it, now what you have to do is you have to go to the node modules folders, go to React Native Razorpay iOS, and paste, drag and drop this project here. Now you can close this. Now you can see Razorpay Checkout, right? Open this, open products, click on React Native integration, go all the way down, drag this, drop it here. Now this is the first step. Second step, click on embed libraries, add other. Now you have to again go to node modules, search for React Native Razorpay. Alright, where are you, my friend? Yep, found him. iOS, and then add this framework. Click on copy items and make sure that it's present both in embedded binaries as well as linked frameworks and libraries. Now once you have done this, the next step is to go to build settings, always embed Swift channel libraries and make it yes. Why we do this is because React Native is internally built using Objective-C, and when you run an Objective-C project, Swift libraries will not be embedded until Xcode finds at least one file in which Swift is present. But since this is a framework, it will not be included as there are no other Swift files. So when you make this setting as yes, it will automatically include the Swift framework. Now with this done, let us go ahead and run it and see if everything goes well. So I go here and I click on run. So as you know, React Native takes time to run. So let's wait for a while. If you're watching this video for the first time, you can fast forward it to the end of the video and see it successful. I'm not going to pause this video because a few people might believe that an issue might be caused in between and such. So Again, if you want to fast forward, feel free to do so. Oh yeah, in the beginning I told you I'll tell you where to find the script, right? So if you want to find the script, you can always go to razorpay.com/doc/ios. You can go to the FAQ and you can go all the way down. You can see that there is a thing called could not find Razorpay mod common crypto, and you'll get the script from here. Click on this and you'll get the script and follow exactly what I told you to do, and your issue will disappear. So coming back, yeah, there is still a lot of files to be built, so let's wait for a while. Okay, I guess we're almost done. Yeah, and I guess, yeah, it's done. So I'll just wait for the simulator to run and start, because in many cases React Native fails even after starting due to some small minor issues, but still I'll just wait and show you that it's working fine. Alright, so that's about it. I know there are some other things that you have to do. There are minor things like opening the checkout form, which you can easily find in the README. They're basically text changes. The main purpose of this was to prevent you from getting stuck in any integration step. I guess after this, it should be easy for you to integrate. Thank you. Let us know if you have any further issues.